friends, welcome to Trina's Humble Homestead. So yes, no makeup, no nothing. I am literally just gonna do a little update on what has been going on. So this is total camper living. I'm just gonna do a quick little update. You've all asked on how it's been going. I had a couple weeks that was completely and totally stressful, rough, but I'm in the camper. It is definitely adjustment, but this is all a blessing beyond measure, even though I will show you pictures of what they found in the house, and it's a process. I did get a call from the insurance adjuster, and they're going to cover a lot of it, but not all of it. So definitely need some prayers. They have to, like deduct wear and tear on the house and how old the structure and those things are. So I honestly don't really even know what that's going to entail. There are holes in the floors everywhere, like my bed could have fallen through. I'll show you those. But right now, here I am in the kitchen. This is my office set up at the dining room table. My son is calling me. And I'm just going to go through and show you a little update on what has been happening at Trina's Humble Homestead. All right, so here we go. Hey friends, here's gonna be my new tiny house for the next 2 months while the home is being renovated. What do you think? I'll give you a full inside tour when I get home, cleaned out, set up, and I'm gonna try to bring the boys over tomorrow to check it out. This is serving a wonderful purpose for me, and when I'm done, I will be putting it up for sale if any of you are looking for a great little camper. All right, so y'all asked for what's been going on around here. It's gonna be in pieces. We got the cat house put up, but they haven't yet found it. I've left the garage door open to try to get them in here. Garage is organized and cleaned out. I am going to try to start hooking some stuff up to the RV and cleaning it out. So we're gonna walk over there and I will show you that. But I wish the little stinkers would come in here and at least discover it. We'll see if they can. I'll show you some more in a moment. All right, let's continue on our tour here. I have all my hookup hoses, washing bedding. And I was originally going to have the camper on this side. However, hooking it up, we found that it works better over here because the sewer drain out is in my backyard and I'll be able to get it out back there. So here's the outside. We have the side slide out, and I did get a power washer, so I will be washing the outside. And here's this side. We're just doing a brief little tour here. And here's the back slide out. Now it's not put together. I ordered a new bed for my house when it gets done. So there's the back of it. And so I was just gonna take my Sleep Number mattress and put it in here. But this has a king size. So I just ordered a foam mattress topper. So I'm coming in to clean this today. So this is going to be the pre-clean, pre-setup. We've got 2 bunks. This is the top bunk. There's the other mattress for the bottom one, which has some little trays, chairs for the outside, some RV toilet paper, which was left by the previous owners, which is nice. There's some hosing and more chairs and things down there. However, I did buy, oops, let's see. I can go all the way down there. I don't know if you can see it underneath. Well, anyway, I'll show you storage. So lots of storage. Here's one closet here. I think I hear someone here at my house. In a drawer. Oh. We have all right. Let's see. Here. Hi, Ashley. I thought I heard you here. I have my camera on. So what are those?
Will these work?
For cleaning up my water?
Yeah.
So I'm doing the before tour with my camera.
Oh, did you see them? But I have them back in the truck.
No, I'll come and look. I'll be right back. Okay, and then here's the king bed. And I did get a new TV, so I'm actually giving that to Ashley's daughter so she can play games on it. In the kitchen, we have a propane stove. The freezer are pretty big. I'm still getting used to opening them though. There we go. There's the freezer. Cleaning those out. And here's the fridge. And the bathroom I'm cleaning out too. But it's just a little bathroom here. Whoops. I missed my... So here I sit in the garage. This is my new room in the house. LOL. Trying to coax the cats to come in here. They still have not gone in here. I've put their food in here. They have not come. I got bit by Anna today trying to pick her up to bring her in here. Oh, they have to come in here before Tuesday because, yeah, that's when my house is gonna get torn apart. And I want them in here to be safe for most of the time. They can come in the camper with me a little bit, but you know, yeah. Anybody have any suggestions on how to get my kitties to come in here? I mean, they're gonna eventually get hungry, right? So I left my garage to the house door open all day long, and their food is in here. I just put a regular cat pan in there. I did leave their automatic cat pan in the bathroom still, in their bathroom, because, you know, they know where that is, and I just want to make sure my house stays clean. So if anybody has any suggestions, I'm not going to try to pick them up to bring them here again, because Anna I think because there's been so many people over, like, helping me set up the camper and stuff, they're just a little anxious. They don't like having other people here. I hope they get used to them eventually, but because I got them at a shelter, they're not used to it. So I'm just gonna sit out here and play Candy Crush and Spades, and hopefully they'll come out here and eat. If not, I guess I'll have to leave my garage open all night, the house door, but I'm not happy about it because I have flies in my house now, and that's just not a fun situation. But anyway, so yeah, tomorrow I work. I'm gonna hopefully have some time on my lunch to pack stuff up, but I have not stopped for 2 weeks and I am exhausted, but I have some things to get done, and hopefully I can keep decluttering my house. We did get the garage done. If you remember over there, it was all piled up with wood, and this was all piled up with boxes and things. So all of this is emptied, and I just got my generator there. That's like a holding tank for my camper that has never been used. I'm not going to use it, and yeah, that's just sitting there. When I'm done, I may just sell my camper, because I'm not a big camper, y'all. I'm really not. We like to go on cruises in my family, and I bought it for the purpose of having to live in it. So I just put that away on the side here, and you know, somebody may need it for off-grid living or or if they like to camp in the middle of nowhere. So we'll just set that over there because I hooked mine up to the direct city here. And yeah, anyway, these are all the boxes I need to use to pack up. Still waiting for cats to come in here. If they don't come in about 30 minutes, I'm just gonna go in and have a little downtime before I have to go. Look at it, looks like such a little fun area. I can go in there and stand up myself. Nala, Anna, come eat. Come on, babies. All right, well, we're trying. Give me any ideas you have, please, in the comments to get my kitties there. I have to have them in here. The workers are coming to gut my house on Tuesday, so they need to be out of the house by Tuesday. Help, anybody help. All right, thanks. I'm exhausted. It's like a little adrenaline here. I try to put toys in there. I have their wet food in there. I have dry food in there. I have no food in the house. I put some treats in there. Anything else? I don't know. Nala loved being in the garage, so I don't know. I'd let her play in here sometimes, but all right. Let me know. Thanks. Bye. So right now, if you look at my, let's see if I can turn the light. Look at what was my pantry? There's no pantry here. My washer and dryer are loaded. I have all my dried goods here. You can see them. Let me turn on some lights here. I have to go through my dried stuff here. And in my garage, nope, the cats have not made it into the catio yet, but they have gone out here to eat. But I'm gonna take that is all that's left of what I have left in my canned goods, and I'm gonna put them up on my pantry shelf. And I have moved, or Ashley has moved, my dehydrator out here. I'm gonna move my freeze dryer out here for now while they gut my house. And then today I'm going to move my office over to the camper. Tomorrow they are coming to start gutting my house, so you know, there's just a lot going on. But I just wanted to give you a little garage update. Nala! And Nala found her way under the house. So we tried to block that. Apparently she still found her way under there. I'm gonna have to shut that up tighter. Apparently there we go. Let's see if that works. Little turd. I need to get them over there. All right, we'll see you later, everybody. Keep praying for me. It's a lot. It's a lot. Pantry set up, and the state of my house is a little chaotic. They did pull up flooring, and then they will have contractors come in and rip out all of the subfloor and the structural damage underneath, and then we will continue from there. But right now, here is the state of my house. Look at who I got in the catio. Yes, they're not too sure about it, but they're doing okay. So I'm just going to let them acclimate in there. Nala's the one that's not too sure, but we're going to give them some time. Yay! Perfect timing before the workers get back here today. Thank you for watching, everyone. Be blessed, have a great day, and remember your love, and I'll keep you updated on the progress.